Alrighty, everybody. Welcome. So we're on day 2 of the trip. Moto camping. So far, we have done 513 kilometers, and we're pretty close to where we're staying tonight. We're staying at Gooseberry Lake. You can see the sign right there, actually. It's Provincial Park there. There's a nice little small campground. Hopefully not too busy, and hopefully we got a decent spot out of it so that we can have a nice peaceful night. There is a small chance we might have some have another rider with us tonight. Not 100% sure on that yet though, so we will definitely have to see on that. So the town we're in right now is Concert. It's on the eastern side, kind of central low, I think, of Alberta. But we are heading to the Goose, is what we're calling it, because my stepfather and a bunch of his friends that ride, they meet up there every year for a weekend and have a couple drinks, do a little riding, kind of socializing a bit. Which is funny because I didn't actually mean to book it here, and now we're here. So it was funny when I was talking to him on the phone. He's like, "Oh yeah, that place." It was absolutely gorgeous today. It's getting a little windy now. You can see there's a couple clouds popping up. I think it was like 26 at one point Celsius, which is beautiful for riding. It's almost hot, like it's burning my arms and whatnot, but the bike is handling amazing, like always, and this trip has been absolutely just peaceful. It's been an amazing trip. I couldn't have asked for a better kind of mental reset, and I'm really hoping for a nice campsite tonight to kind of end it off good. This is my first trip of the year. I gotta get myself reconditioned back to it. But we've done over 1,096, 97 it just rolled kilometers so far. And it's been great. This bike is amazing to travel with, other than the one highway peg. What happened that, you can see that in part 1. This bike is amazing to travel with. From the stereo to the nav. The nav is great. Not having to look at maps or anything like that, just type it in and go. Makes it really nice. One thing I am wanting to get though is a phone mount, because then you can have some more details and stuff like that. Time when I've been getting a lot of texts, but I can't see it. Phone's either in my pocket or in the trunk. A lot of the ride, and that's why we kind of just turned on the camera, has been fairly plain. Not many hills, not many curves. There's a lot of straight riding today, which was kind of nice. I just got through it on cruise control and just putzed along the whole day. I think this might be our turn right here. Gooseberry Provincial Park. Campground open. Take a right. Cool. I wonder if it's gravel. Nope, not gravel. And shit, she died. But we decided, like, we're so close. I think that's the entrance right up there. There we go. Cool. Oh, as I was saying, it's very pretty. There's nobody. We're off. I think we're 28. Camping. I should have paid attention. These look actually quite nice down there. That's the dump station. $26. 27. Is this it right here? Holy shit, this is amazing. Let's shut you off. Wow, this is beautiful. Well, we're here. Got the bike. She did good today. She's gonna have a good sleep. We got the bag. She is a dirty girl. That's for sure. But this is home for the night. It's very nice. Very pretty. Pretty hidden away, which is very nice. We have one neighbor over there. But other than that, that's it really. That makes it nice. This is one of the main roads here, though. So for the day use section, people will be coming and going. Little bird nest. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. There's lots of bird sounds, so that's awesome too. It's gonna look like it's gonna be a really nice place. I'm gonna take everything off, set it up on here, go over it very quickly, and then set it up. It's gonna be very brief, very quickly. When we get home, I think we're gonna do a big deep, what do I take camping? I missed a couple of things too. It's the first time this year, alright? Like, I missed a couple spots too. So, just like that, everything will be over there. Everything. Off the bike, mostly. We're not doing a full, crazy detailed. This is kind of what we pack. Now, this trip was different because I was lended one of these sleeping mats to test out. Usually I use my Air ones. We're testing it to see if we kind of wanted to buy one for the future, and I had a great sleep last night, so probably. But we have the sleeping bag that goes to -17. We got, this is the tent, the Hubba Bubba NX2. Two person, pretty much one person. You would be tight to fit to. But that's tent pegs, poles, outer liner, and the inside, all in that little bag. There's the air mattress, the Sea to Summit, large. This is the pillow, same as that, because you need a good pillow. And then we have, you guys all saw the hammock if you watched part 1. If not, go check it out. We have our little stove, camera gears, that's the broken bag, and some other minor stuff. That's just a quick look into what we bring. One thing I forgot. Do you know what that is? That's cool. Perfect. So comfy. We got it all set up. Quick tour. We're doing something different today. Part 1, we have our air pad, and then the roll pad, and then the 0 degree Fahrenheit sleeping bag. We got our pillow, our main pack, helmet. We gotta get the shoes in here, a couple other things. It's time to try some whiskey. Today, we're gonna be trying some Sabertooth Rye. It says it's made in Alberta, product of Canada, 40% alcohol. Apparently it's been aged with new technology that replaces the traditional method of aging 3 to 10 years. That's the bottle. Nice looking bottle. We did Mickey again because we're on the bike. I think that's something we're always going to do on the bike, is do Mickeys, because it just works way better. We've got our cookware. That is our glass, because we still didn't buy one. First smell. Sweet. No, not like in part one with the ethanol smell. This one smells very smoky. Almost like an oak. And, that's interesting. I wonder what their new method is. I have no idea on any of that stuff, but I wonder. So, anyways, here we go. First taste. It's warm because it's been in my saddlebag all day, so let's try another taste. Okay, so the smoke is real. It's got a very smoky taste to it. Very good. It's very smooth. I don't know if you'd want to mix it with Coke if you don't like sweetness, because that might be too sweet. Well, I just had the best interaction. I did not get their names, but it's a lady and gentleman that run this place throughout the season, and they're awesome. They came. We actually got a couple of bags of wood because we got another person coming out here camping with us too, so I'm excited to film some of that because I think that's going to be a lot of fun, having a second person out here. They were so nice. They told us a bunch about the area. They said a little bit about what's going on and how COVID has really increased the amount of people camping, which I think is great. I mean, it's hard to get spots now for us that have been camping for a little bit longer, but it's still good that people are getting out. But camping's gorgeous. They're awesome. I think I'll probably be coming back here once or twice more this year so far, and I've only been here for a couple hours. Back to the whiskey. I don't remember where I was at, but it's very sweet. The smoke, oak, and just like your normal rye. Very sweet. Smells delicious. Tastes delicious. I think for just a straight, cheap, I'm gonna give it 6.5. 6.5. It's a $12 bottle. It's on the cheaper side, but it's 6.5. That's solid. I would drink it again. Absolutely. So we're just having some drinks. Now we're gonna be setting up a tent. Bill is out here with us. He is riding 2018 Ultra Limited. Gorgeous bike. I believe it was a 115-year anniversary. Pulled a trailer out. He just came out tonight. You've probably seen pictures of it. Definitely have pictures. But this, the trailer. The trailer is what we want. Gorgeous. I'm thinking I want a trailer, especially if me and the woman go. But anyways, this tent, way better than ours. Look at the size. One day. Yeah, so that's the setup. He's working on the fire over there. We're having a couple whiskeys. We're gonna have some smokies. Go from there. Alright, well, it's the next morning. Sorry I didn't really film too much last night. We were just having a good time and had a couple drinks. But I'm getting all packed up. Still gotta take his tent down, and I gotta load the bike up, and then we'll see you guys on the bike. Awesome. Well, sorry about the short footage from last night. We kind of dove into a couple drinks and had a really good time just bullshitting. So, but now we're off and we are on our way home. It's been a really great ride so far. Really good one for the first big one of the year. And this isn't even really that big. It was 3 days. Today I think we're only putting on maybe 300 clicks. but some of the roads we are going on are very pretty and kind of bad landy, so it's still gonna make for a great day of riding. The head's starting to feel a little bit better with some fresh air and the wind too. It's getting better, so we're just putzing, taking our time on our way back. Something about the bike, even with headaches and everything, you just feel good when you jump on her. Last night I decided for my sleeping pads to double up. I put the blow up air one, and then I put the rollout one. And I must admit, probably the comfiest I've been in a while when you're tenting. So that was really cool. I think that's something I might do more. It gives you that little bit more clearance off the ground. Makes you just kind of sink into it. Well, we've had an awesome time out here. We've got to ride some really nice roads. We got to do some camping, relax, try out some whiskeys, have some different drinks and food, and it was just an all-around good trip. We're just on a little rip back now. We're going to be writing blogs about the campgrounds I go to, giving them ratings, blogs about the trips, all that fun stuff. You can check that out at lazarintheopenroad.com. Make sure you follow our Instagram at lazarintheopenroad. We're going to be posting lots of new content on there, photos from the trips, photos from future trips, parts, different bikes we ride, different bikes we come across and meet people, and just a whole lot. So make sure you check that out. And if you could, please hit that subscribe button. Well guys, we made it back home. We're tired. It's been a long day. The old girl did very well. We're gonna get this highway peg figured out, and we're gonna get her a nice bath. But as you heard before, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the open road.